Hi there, I'm Andrew. Welcome back to Golden Age Financial, a YouTube channel helping older adults build confidence with money, investments, and everyday financial decisions. Today's topic is how to turn the money you saved into income you can actually live on. We'll break it down into simple strategies so you're not left guessing when that 9 to 5 eventually ends. In this section, we'll explain why creating income from savings is different than just saving, and why it matters. For decades, your savings grew like a tree, but now the goal is to harvest the fruit, not chop it down. Unlike a paycheck, retirement income must come from multiple sources, and that mix affects your lifestyle and peace of mind. The biggest challenge? Making sure your money lasts potentially 30 years or more. A common misconception is that retirement means zero risk. But in truth, not generating enough income is a risk too. The good news: with a plan, your savings can deliver reliable income without constant stress or a crystal ball. To sum up, retirement income planning matters because you're replacing a paycheck with a well-organized plan. In this section, we'll walk through the main places your retirement income might come from and how they work. Common sources include Social Security, pensions, savings accounts, investments, annuities, and part-time work. Social Security is often your foundation. Most people start taking it between age 62 and 70. If you're lucky enough to have a pension, it's typically a fixed monthly amount for life, like a reliable old car. Your savings from an IRA, 401k, or brokerage account turn into flexible income, but need careful pacing. One small warning: it's easy to underestimate taxes, so don't forget Uncle Sam still wants a piece. All said, understanding where your income comes from helps you create a smarter, steadier retirement plan. Here we'll explore withdrawal strategies to help your money last, including the classic 4% rule. The 4% rule suggests you can withdraw 4% of your savings per year, adjusted for inflation. So if you have $500,000 saved, that's about $20,000 per year, plus any other income. But the key is flexibility. In down years, you might cut back. In up years, enjoy a bit more. Some retirees use a bucket strategy, short-term cash, mid-term bonds, long-term stocks, to weather the ups and downs. Think of it like a well-stocked pantry. You don't want to eat all the cookies in January. In short, withdrawing steadily and wisely helps your nest egg last without playing guessing games with your future. In this section, we'll look at annuities and other ways to guarantee income and where they may fit. An annuity is a financial product that, in exchange for a lump sum, gives you regular income, sometimes for life. Think of it like buying your own personal pension, with optional toppings like inflation protection. The catch? Many come with fees, limited access to your money, or complicated terms. According to the Secure Act, as of 2025, employer plans can include annuities as options. Use them carefully. Sometimes they provide peace of mind, other times they can offer a lot of just paperwork. Overall, annuities can be one way to ensure income, but they're not one size fits all. Here we show how to blend income sources together so they support you as smoothly as possible. Just like a good stew needs seasoning, retirement income needs timing and balance. You might delay Social Security to age 70 for higher checks while tapping savings earlier. Required minimum distributions start at age 73, so planning helps avoid large taxable withdrawals all at once. Some people supplement with part-time work, not just to pay bills, but also for structure and coffee money. Coordinated planning also helps avoid dry months, where all your bills show up, but none of your income does. To wrap it up, blending income streams means timing them intentionally for a steady retirement paycheck. Let us wrap up with a simple plan and a sanity check. Retirement isn't just about stopping work. It's about starting a well-paced life powered by income that fits you. Here's your checklist. Know your income sources. Choose a withdrawal strategy. Consider annuities carefully. And plan the timing wisely. If this helped clarify things, consider subscribing. And of course, this video is for education, not personal financial advice.